All right, so now we're going to move to some of the were considered not soft herbs. So this is a little bit of thyme and rosemary, again, fresh from the garden. But again, with these herbs, because of their nature, because of their makeup, you're going to cut these just a little bit differently. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the leaves off of the thyme. Now again, I like to save the stems of the thyme because we throw those in the stock, which again is going to be our next segment. So again, with this thyme, basically what we're going to do is just very delicately pull the leaves off of the stem, and again, saving those stems for stock. And basically pull these leaves off. God, it smells so good. It's right out of the garden. And there we are. Now with the stems, the reason that you don't want these in the final product is because it's a little bit woody, and it's kind of an unpleasant texture on the palate. So there we go. Now that we've gotten all of those leaves together, basically we're just going to very lightly put the knife through and just run your knife over that. Again, putting your hand here and just lightly with the tail of the knife chopping that. Now that's all that's required. You don't have to really beat those herbs up, but that's again nice, light, and ready to go. So there's the thyme. Now we'll move to rosemary, and for the rosemary, very similar. Again, it's a little bit of more of a sturdy herb, if you will. So again, we'll pull those little pieces of rosemary right off of the stem. Now this is really woody and fibrous, so it's actually like a piece of wood, so you don't want to use that because it doesn't translate well into any kind of cuisine unless you use it to make a stock or something. So again, we'll take all these leaves, we'll line those up, and just very delicately chop that, and you can see that just nice uniform cuts. Very, very slowly moving your fingers back, and then take those. And again, with herbs like this, even if you're trying to get a half a cup or a quarter of a cup for a recipe, it's much better to do a smaller amount at a time because you'll get a lot more of an even cut, as you can see. Very even there, instead of trying to do a large amount at one time. By doing a large amount, you end up really beating the herb up, and that's the last thing you want to do. You want to take it nice and easy on the herbs. And there you have it. So now we've covered the soft herbs: parsley, basil, mint, rosemary, and thyme.